What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing with Jax. We're going to go over AMP, guys. We have some pretty juicy AMP news, guys. Remember when I told you the harder the pump, the steeper the correction, and no coin is exempt from that? Well, we're seeing that right now with AMP. So we're down about 9% on the day, currently sitting at 0.077. The market cap is sitting at 3.27 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 98 million. All right, guys. So we're going to quickly pop over to this news. So let me get this out of the way. So Flexa AMP, dismiss. Flexa AMP cryptocurrency hits new highs on Coinbase listing, up 17%. You're going to see that, guys, when a coin gets listed on a major exchange, you're going to see a hard pump followed by a steep correction. So AMP nears 12 cents as best performing altcoin. Flexa, which describes itself as the first ever digital currency payment option for brick and mortar retail, aims to offer a blanket solution for cryptocurrency acceptance and spending. The replacement appeared to be fare better than the original almost instantly, rising throughout 2021 from starting value of just 0.006 year-to-date gains of around 1,700%. Flexa has already partnered with Canadian multinational e-commerce company Shopify. Guys, Shopify is literally the largest online retailer for people doing e-commerce, drop shipping, e-commerce, building their website. I used to do drop shipping. I sold jewelry and I use Shopify, and it's an incredible platform. And when the latter announced that it would expand its payment features to all Facebook and Google merchants this week, AMP cemented its ongoing bull run, jumping 25% in the past 24 hours alone as exchange Coinbase launched trading. All right, guys, so that's massive that they're partnered with Shopify. That's absolutely terrific news here for AMP. So let's hop into it, guys. So we came up, we peaked, we absolutely pumped. We saw a massive pump. 121%. It was much more than that before the Coinbase listing. It was a huge pump in a very short period of time, and it's going to be followed by a steep correction. As you can see here, pulled my Fibonacci here from this swing low to this swing high. We broke the golden ratio, and we came all the way down to the 1.618 extension. All right, guys, you can only see the 20 EMA here because it just got listed on Coinbase, but I'll put it onto the hourly so you can see the 20 and the 50. So you can see here, massive pump. We came down, we broke the EMAs, bearish cross, and now we're hitting resistance along the 20 EMA. So what I'm going to do is take my Fibonacci out. I'm going to go to this low, previous swing low, swing high, to give you guys your levels of support. So you can see right now we're coming down to the golden ratio, crucial level of support. If we don't bounce from this level, you head back to where you came from, down here at about 0.055, the start of your pump here, if you don't bounce from the golden ratio, guys. So keep an eye on this level, the 0.618 at about 0.075, which is exactly where prices come down to. As well, what you would want to do if you're going to see AMP recover here is hold this trend line of support. All right, guys, and if that happens, you can take your Fibonacci from your swing high down to your swing low, and it will give you your lines of resistance, but they line up pretty much here. So we'll go off lines of resistance. So about 0.091, you can see some resistance, some support in this area as well. And there's resistance in this area as well. So if we were to bounce, here would be some levels of resistance. 0.091 and 0.0101, and then of course our high. But we are going through a corrective wave here with Bitcoin. We can see here with Bitcoin, it's starting to hit resistance on the 0.786. The more it hits resistance and it isn't able to break above here, the higher the likelihood of a rollover. We've already broken the golden ratio, which signifies we go back to where the trend started upwards, and then usually to the 1.272 extension. So keep an eye, guys, on Bitcoin. If we don't break above the 0.786, we will continue the downtrend here. All right, guys. And then of course AMP will most likely follow. It pumped because it got listed on Coinbase, but I have a feeling it will start moving closer now with the master energies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, guys. So keep an eye on that level here. Crucial for AMP to hold that support, because if it breaks it, you head down usually to the 1.272, but if we did, we would be breaking our bottom of the uptrend here, but it just got listed on Coinbase. So if you break that, keep an eye on these levels. You could go short to 0.055 or 0.044. All right, guys. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you got any value out of it, make sure to smash that like button. Remember, you can make money on the way up and on the way down if you wish to. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.